Choo-choo, let's go! Hop on the fruity train, let's start the show. Look at the first car, shiny and red. Apples are dancing round and ahead. Crunchy and sweet, they bounce with glee. Waving at you, waving at me. Next comes oranges, rolling so bright. Peeling with laughter, such a fun sight. Juicy and yummy, round like the sun. Singing together, oh what fun! Here come bananas, yellow and long. Wiggling and giggling all day long. Slipping and sliding, laughing away. Come peel us, they cheer and play. Mangoes are golden, soft and sweet. Wiggling their stems and tapping their feet. Dancing to music, bouncing around. Mangoes make a jiggly sound. Look at the grapes, purple and small. Rolling like marbles, not big at all. Tiny and tasty, they ride in a bunch. Sharing with friends at snack time lunch. All the fruits are on the train, riding through the sun and rain. Laughing, singing down the track. Hop on with us, we'll be back. Choo-choo!